Varying environmental conditions deteriorate the lubricant on the drive chain, which can lead to its wear and rusting, badly affecting bike's performance and its service life. It is therefore very important to clean and lubricate the drive chain once in a month during this idle period. Park the vehicle on the main stand on a leveled surface. For vehicle without a main stand, use a wooden block under the engine to raise the rear wheel. Remove the ignition key from the ignition switch and shift the transmission to neutral. Now, remove the chain case if available. Spray a commercially available drive chain cleaner over its entire length and leave it idle for a few minutes. Clean and remove any dirt from the chain using a soft nylon brush. Wipe off the drive chain using a clean dry cloth. Lubricate the drive chain using a commercially available lubrication spray or oil. Wait for 10 minutes and then wipe the excess lubricant from the drive chain. Important note before performing the job. Use commercially available sealed drive chain cleaning and lubricating spray. Always ensure to wipe the lower chain, rotating the wheel in the reverse direction to prevent any injury. Once lubrication is done, install the drive chain case properly by aligning the tabs. Stay home, stay safe.